Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to learn how to make templates for the festival. So without making noise, let's get started. So first we make new file. So we take width of 1080 by 1080 and resolution it. Let's make it 300. Here. After that, there is a lock symbol here. You can double click and remove it. And you can, after that we need to change the color. So go to blending, sorry, right click, after that go to the blending option. You go to the gradient overlay, and here you can adjust the angle. I have adjusted the angle in here 1. You can adjust it anywhere. Also you can adjust the opacity of the gradients. Okay, so it looks good for me. And let's use pattern as well, so it doesn't look empty. This pattern is looking good. So you can choose a different pattern over here. You can choose here. Same thing, you can adjust the opacity and scale of this pattern. Let's click it. Okay, now we're going to drag PNG image. So okay, let's directly drag it from here. Okay. And let's resize the image. Okay, so press hold shift key while accessing the images. Okay, it looks good for me. So after that, let's change the color of left side. Okay, so let's add rectangle over here, another rectangle. So I've already selected the rectangle here. So again, same thing, same process will go again. Right click, after that blending option. This time we're going to use color overlay. Okay, so color overlay we're going to use, let's make it black. Let's add pattern as well. You can adjust the opacity, the color overlay, so it looks good for me. Now after that we are going to add the text. Get bigger. Good. So guys, be careful, your layer should be at the top of that rectangle. Happy. Happy Maha. Let's resize it. You can use control T to resize. Just select the text and change the color to white. Right. And let's change the font to Dakota. If you don't have this font, you can download it from the Google. And after that, let's add the branches and some grass over here so it doesn't look empty. So I already have PNG images of branch. I think you guys already know how to make PNG image. Also you can find it in Google PNG image. And let's add the branch here. Let's resize it first. Yes, it looks good for me. And also we can adjust the opacity of this branch. If you want to make text look you want to focus your audience to the text, then you can make it lighter. Yes, it looks good. Yes, it looks fine for me now. 59. So after that, let's add some grass over here. Same thing, grass. Let's resize it. Also, let's adjust the opacity of the grass. It looks good for me. And let's add the logo. If you are making these templates for your company, you can add your logo over here. So I already have made this logo. Yeah, here. So let's drag it. Fine, look good for me. Also you can let me tell you one important thing, guys. From blending option, you guys can you can see the white shining part over there, so you can use the outer glow option over here, so it will appear. If you want that to pop up the logo. And also you can add the company name, XYZ company. Do not waste your time. I'm just simply dragging file over here. You can simply type these things out. Okay, so guys, finally our design is completed. You can add the company name here, down there, and also the phone number of the company. And wishing the happy Mahasivaratri 2021, guys. Thank you for watching video, and please leave the comment if you like this video. And if you have any question regarding these templates, then please comment down. I will reply everyone's comment. Thanks guys. Cheers.